Hello Taurus, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. So December month is a month for growth and collaboration for you. This particular prediction is based on the moon sign and the sun sign. So I have taken the cards for you that will tell you how will be the energy for you in the month of December, as well as this consists of the astrological transit also that is going to take place in the month of December. So you can check the prediction on the basis of the moon sign and the sun sign. So Taurus, this monthly astrological update is that December is a time for the growth and the collaboration, where the mixed emotions, big plans may collide to create an exciting opportunity. Stay with me as we explore what is in store for you in this particular month. So this month you may find yourself working on a big plan, but there is a twist. Someone you had disagreement with a key player in achieving the success. So how you have to handle the situation? Take it seriously, approach the situation with a maturity. You have to communicate openly, address your differences respectfully, set the boundaries, create a list of rules and stick to them. Try to resolve the conflict and build a stronger partnership. By working through your differences, you can build a better partnership and turn your shared goal into the reality. So this particular month, Taurus, your health and appearances might have been on your mind, whether it's for an upcoming event or simply to feel your best. December is a perfect time to take an action. How to start with? Work with an expert like a personal trainer or a nutrition that will be going to help you out to keep you on the habit that are easy to maintain and even when life gets busy. Once you build those habits, you will feel stronger and more confident every day. So this is a time where you have to focus more on your own self. Now let's talk about your personal project. You know, the one you have started and stopped many times because it never feels quite perfect. This month commit to seeing it though. If something does not work, adjust it. Don't try to delay it. By the end of the December, you will be amazed at how much you have accomplished and fall back in love with your own passion. December is all about your growth, Taurus, resolving conflicts, improving yourself. You have to work on your passion again. Stay dedicated and you will achieve more than you were ever expected. Until next time, stay grounded and keep shining. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your loved one. Thank you and have a great day ahead.